When I say bananas, you say peppers. And today, you guys, we are gonna be looking at some scammers. I'm assuming, unless I'm about to get the surprise of my life, I'm assuming that we're gonna be investigating some scammers. The scammers of Walmart. This is kind of a sequel to a video I made on my main channel a couple of months ago. So if you guys haven't seen that video, and if you're curious, I will link it in the info box down below. You don't have to watch that video before you watch this one. It's not like a continuation of the story or anything, but I'm predicting sort of in the same vein. Do you guys remember this guy? Do y'all feel like the scam seller market has just unfortunately exploded this year? I feel like when you're online shopping now, you have to be like more careful than ever on Amazon and Walmart and Target and stuff. Well, you know what? Does Target have a third-party seller marketplace? I don't think that they do. I know so many of my friends have been scammed, like trying to buy like basic necessities this year, but I feel like just on a whole, I've had to shop with more caution this year on Amazon and Walmart. And I feel like Walmart maybe has more of a scammy third-party seller market than Amazon. Do you guys feel that way? Or is it just because I'm like a newbie to shopping online at Walmart? Honestly, you guys, before this year, I have never ordered anything online from Walmart in my life. I don't know if it's just like a suburbs kind of thing, but like, you guys, we are usually never bored here in the suburbs because there's a Walmart right down the road. You know, you're bored, you just go hang out at Walmart, walk around for a while. So literally, I used to just go to Walmart like at least once a week and just walk around. It's like, I feel like it's less clear when you're shopping on Walmart that it's a third-party seller, but maybe it's just because I'm like used to looking at Amazon more. No one cares about this. Anyway, you guys, I actually saw this happen to somebody on TikTok. They ordered it from a Facebook website, like a Facebook ad website. So this person had ordered this Grinch doll, which every year around Christmas time, a lot of you guys start sending me pictures of this doll, and I have always meant to purchase one to do videos with, to do an unboxing with. I've never been able to do it because like I cannot remember when I need to order it. They have like a 6-month lead time for you to be able to get one of these art dolls. They're all handmade. They take a lot of time. I just literally basically do not start thinking about Christmas until approximately 5 days before Christmas. And so I don't know. I've seen listings for this doll on Amazon, Walmart. Like I said, the person on TikTok, they were getting ads for it on Facebook. I think it's like a Wish thing. Like a bunch of different sellers are taking the same artist's photo. They've just stolen the photo. I've seen it advertised for a bunch of different prices, like below $20, $20. And I think that these scam companies are able to scam people who don't really know what these art dolls are or really what reborns are. They just see a really cute Grinch doll and they think that like $20 might be reasonable to pay for that. But I almost think it's harder for them to scam people that have any knowledge of like the art doll, reborn doll community, because I think all of us that collect these types of dolls, like, you know, you're not gonna get a high quality doll like that for $20. There's just no way. They're all hand painted, and a lot of times they're hand sculpted. They're made of like really high quality materials. So $20, that's just like absolutely not reasonable to pay for a doll like that. I was on Walmart, I was just buying a couple of other things. I think I was looking at Christmas decorations, and lo and behold, this listing was suggested to me. Since I had already seen some reveals of what the Grinch baby looked like, I decided to try my hand at another doll that I had yet to see anybody unbox. And it's like a Christmas werewolf baby? I don't know. Werepups. that is the maker of most of these werewolf dolls that you see online. And honestly, it has been my dream to own one of the werepups. So hopefully eventually I will get to do that. But I think that that is the artist that they stole this Christmas werewolf, Christmas dog? I don't know what it's meant to be. This one sort of feels, I don't know, this guy is just like completely hollow, this knockoff alien baby. I think I equated it last time to a dog toy that's missing the squeaker. Ooh, this actually came from Kentucky, I guess. Oh my God, okay. Oh, it's so weird. Look. Oh my God, why do I like it? Why do I like it so much, you guys? Oh, geez. Okay, so this is what it looks like in plastic. I feel like my eyes are watering because I'm laughing so much. Oh, its legs are so weird. Oh my God, and it has a belly button? Why? Why does it have a plastic belly button? So I seem to remember this one was the same way. It has such a super like rubbery latex kind of smell. Honestly, I don't know if it's just hitting me right in the feels today, but it smells like a bunch of like Halloween masks, Halloween decorations. So I'm like, ooh, smell the aroma. I honestly like this little guy. It is so ridiculous. It is nothing, absolutely nothing. Look at its tail, nothing like the picture. The picture, of course, that they show is that it's actually going to have like rooted hair, which, you know what, I have my werewolf baby right here, so I'll do a side-by-side comparison of the doll that they showed was something more like this, where, you know, it would actually have hair and it would have like little werewolf hair rooted all over the body. I don't know what they meant for this to be. I don't even know if maybe in some weird way they meant for it to be Max. Isn't that the Grinch's dog's name? I don't know if they were like, oh, Christmas dog. I mean, clearly it is meant to be Christmassy. Now, of course, in the photo, it actually had on like a Christmas outfit, like clothing, not just painted on the body. But yeah, once again, it is like just completely, at first when I was like feeling it in the packaging, I thought that maybe it had like some kind of foam stuffing inside of it. Once again, like, you know, Halloween decorations and stuff, like I've got some foam bats and everything where it is this like painted latex on the outside, but then there's usually actually like a form on the inside. So it's not just hollow, you don't just like squeeze all the air out of it. Oh, it looks like it's breathing. Look at that, look at that. Oh, let's do it again. Oh, he's inflating. Once again, like I in some way love this thing because, you know, for the ha-has, it's hilarious. Like, I knew what I was getting into. I wanted to just unbox it to see how hilarious it would be with you guys. But who I feel bad for is obviously people that see this online. They think they're buying a gift for a kid or somebody that like has always wanted a reborn, and then they think they're getting a really great deal to get one of these like awesome looking dolls for $20. And so that's of course who I really feel bad for, and why I wish that they would just make like third-party selling like not as easy to do. I don't know how they could like regulate stuff like that. In comparison, I feel like this company did do a better job at doing the airbrushing or whatever. I feel like there's more painting, like they just spent more time, I think, with these things, because even like they tried to do like some different colors of the fur and everything. Now maybe there is just more details that you can paint onto a werewolf dog creature than an alien. I like it. I feel like I should just like set it up in the background. You know, I feel like it blends in with this room quite nicely. I just thought that you guys might be interested to see like the Christmas scam that's going on right now. You're gonna have to let me know. I don't know. It's been a wild year this year of scam sellers and I feel like also just like resellers, like scalpers almost, which definitely sucks. It's horrible. It's cute. Today's video I feel like is super short, but I wanted to be able to do this unboxing with you guys before Christmas because I feel like it's Christmas. It's Christmas themed. Merry Christmas. Here's your strange hollow rubber dog. Anyway, in case I don't see you guys again before Christmas, I hope y'all all have a happy holidays if you celebrate, or even if you don't. I hope you're just having a nice, relaxing day at home. Until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I will be back again very, very soon. Bye!